Every day is a fresh day. Okay, every day is a fresh day. Start with a fresh movement. Today is the best day. Okay, today is the best day. Is a beautiful proverb. You can use it in your lives. Okay, now going to the class. Now we are going to learn about parts of body. Okay, parts of body. The first one is sir. Okay, sir, head. Sir means head. The second one is ball. Ball means hair. Ball means hair. Then the third one is mata. Mata. Mata means forehead. Okay, mata means forehead. Then the fourth one is bong. Bong means eyebrow. Bong means eyebrow. Then knock. Knock means nose here. Knock means nose. Then sixth one is gall. Gall. Gall means cheek. Gall means cheek. Then seventh one is moog. Moog. Moog means mouth. Moog means mouth. Here two names for lips. That is haunt and oat. Hot and oat. Okay, lips. Then the ninth one is dant. Okay, ninth one is dant. Dant means tooth. Here the tenth one is jeeb. Okay, jeeb. Jeeb. Jeeb is tongue. Jeeb is tongue. Here gardan. Gardan. Gardan means neck. Gardan means neck here. Then 12th one is gala. Gala. Gala means throat. Gala means throat. Okay. Here the 13th one is kan. Okay. 13th one is kan. Kan means ear. Then 14th one is ganda. Okay. Kanda here. Ganda means dirty. Here kanda. Kanda means shoulder. Okay. Kanda means shoulder. The next paid. Okay. Paid means stomach. Paid means stomach. Then 16th one is hath. Hath means hand. Then ungali. Ungali. Ungali means fingers. Here kamar. Kamar means waist. Okay, kamar means waist. Peat. Okay, peat. मेरे पीठ में दर्द हो रही है means I am having the pain in the back. Okay, peat, back. Then hriday. See here, hriday. Hriday, heart. Then गोद. गोद means lap. हर बच्चे उसकी माँ की गोद में रहने चाहती है. हर बच्चे उसकी माँ की गोद में रहने जाती है. Means every children wants to sleep in the lap of her mother. Okay. Then pair. Pair, tongue. Okay. Pair, tongue. Both are same. The meaning is leg. Okay, both are same. The meaning is leg. Then nakun. Okay, nakun. Nakun means nail. Nakun means nail here. Then the next one is आंख. आंख बड़ी आवश्यक है हमारे लिए. आंखों की बिना हमारी जीना बहुत मुश्किल है. आंखों की रेशमी के बिना. Okay, here the आंख, eye. Then nas. Nas means vein. Then paw. Paw. Paw means foot. Then 27th is here fefada. Fefada means lungs. Okay, fefada means lung. Then 28th is nabi. Okay, nabi means navel. Nabi means navel. Then 29th is munch. Okay, munch. Munch means mustak. Munch means mustak. Then 30th is hatti. Hatti means bone. हड्डी में कैल्शियम बहुत होना चाहिए. Okay, हड्डी means bone. Once again I am clear you. Then here first one is sir. Sir, head. Okay, ball, hair. Mata, forehead. Bong, eyebrow. Naak, nose. Okay, then gall. Gall, cheek. Okay, moog, mouth. Then hot, hot, won't, both are same for lips. Okay. Dant, dant is for tooth. Jeeb, okay, jeeb for tongue. Then gardan, gardan means neck. Here gala, gala means throat. मेरी गला में दर्द हो रही है means I am having the pain in the throat. Okay, throat pain. Here कान, कान, कानों से हम सुन सकते हैं. We can hear from the ear. कान, कान means ear. Then kanda, kanda means shoulder. Okay, here paid, paid means stomach. Hath, hath means hand. Ungali, ungali means fingers. Kamar, kamar is waist. Peet, peet is back. Hriday, hriday means heart. Then god, god is lap. Pair, tongue, pair, tongue for leg. Then nakun, okay, nakun means nail. Then ank, ank is eye. Here nas, nas means vein. Paw, paw means foot. Fefada, fefada is lungs. Nabi, okay, nabi is navel. Then munch, munch is mustak. Then haddi, haddi means bone. Okay, here by knowing the names we can clearly understand the parts of the body in Hindi. Okay.